What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of 10-Minute Talks with Chase. So the topic we're going to be talking about today is how I make over $30,000 a month at 21 years old. I do this without requiring any skills. You guys can literally start this today and start making money very quickly with this method that I'm going to talk about in this video. If you guys are new here, pretty much the way that this series works is I literally just yap about different topics every single day and give my personal expertise and take on these topics based on my 3+ years of being an entrepreneur and running up multiple six-figure businesses. I literally landed in Paris like 2 days ago and I'm currently outside of my Airbnb in this random ass corner. It's kind of sus, I'm not gonna lie. If I stop at any point, it's literally because there's people walking back and forth, but it's fine. Once that timer goes off, there ain't no stopping me. I ain't gonna lie. Anyways, as you guys can see, I have all my points listed out here. This one's a fat one. I don't know if I'm gonna make the 10 minutes. Before I do that, I'm gonna literally pop a velo. I started taking these a week ago in Italy, and I'm not gonna lie, this shit gets you wired, bro. So let me pop one right now. Bro, I always fucking struggle with this shit. Fuck, I got it. First try. So yeah, I might just do the middle this time. I've never really done the middle. I feel like that's gonna get me wired. Oh my god. Anyways, guys, let's freaking start this timer, dude. So I'm about to put 10 minutes and 2 seconds on the clock. There you go, started it. All right, so first thing I want to talk about, my first point, is my experience running multiple different businesses and why I end up choosing the business that I'm currently running and how you guys can also get started with it too. So when I first started out 3 years ago, I actually initially started out with e-commerce. I don't know if you guys know what dropshipping is, but I was pretty much just selling products online through TikTok, posting content around these products and just making sales through that. And that was the first venture that I did, and I made a good amount of money doing that. And I ended up switching to an agency model where I started running an agency. And with my agency, I also was doing really good. I was creating content around that as well to get leads into my agency. And then eventually I ended up switching to running a personal branding offer where I pretty much just create content on social media for like Instagram, TikTok, and just do like these talking head videos where I sit in front of the camera, highly edited videos, and just give value. And if you guys noticed, there's one common pattern in all these businesses that I ran, and it's content. So the business that I do now is content. I create content and I make money through this passively. Literally while I sleep, I get sales overnight. And like every single day I'm making sales. And that's how I'm able to like literally travel and just do whatever I want with my time. And everything revolves around content. I highly recommend to you guys that you also get into content because this is a growing industry. And as the years go on, more and more people are gonna hop on this. So if you can get on it now, you will be ahead of most people. And if you can learn the skill and learn how to master the algorithm, learn how to create content that actually goes viral, gets pushed out to people organically where you don't have to pay money to get in front of people, trust me guys, you will make millions of dollars. Like I'm talking millions, bro. Like M's on M's, I ain't gonna lie. Anyways, then I started my personal branding, started posting very simple videos, talking head videos, as I mentioned. So now that I mentioned what the business is and how you guys, or basically how I make money with this, I'm gonna tell you guys the exact steps to actually get started with this. So the first thing you gotta do is pick a niche. Now you might be wondering, what the fuck is a niche? Like what does that even mean? Don't worry, stop stressing, Brody, I got you. Pretty much, the niche is just the content or like the topic that your content revolves around, and every piece of content you create should align with this niche. So it's the way I think about it is like it's an umbrella and then you have a bunch of ideas underneath it. And there's a couple niches that I have that I recommend to you guys that you start off with that I literally just wrote out here. And these are actually all niches that I ran personally when I first started creating content. The first one that I ran was creating content around my agency to get leads for it. I don't recommend that you guys start that because I feel like the agency model has kind of died out. Obviously, it'll never truly die out because you're selling a service, so you can always make money. But you gotta just find the services that are untapped and that are in demand right now to make money. And if you can find out what that service is, then you can create content around that. So that's one potential niche. The second niche that I currently am in right now is the make money online space, where I teach people new opportunities and new ways that they can make money online through different methods, and giving them like step-by-steps on how they can actually do that. And that's like a niche that I find is very easy to print money in. A lot of my students are crushing it right now in that niche specifically. The third niche is like the AI space, where you talk about AI tools, and like you talk about like new tools that come out and like they're like the use case of them pretty much. And with that niche, I would say it still works, but you can't make a lot of money with it because what I found with creating content is like if you want to truly make a lot of money, and this is actually why I switched from the AI tools niche to the make money online space, you got to give people good value and also build expertise and trust with an audience, right? With the AI tools niche, you're talking about tools which doesn't really correlate back to you and show your expertise, but you can make a lot of money through sponsorships. Like at some point I was doing over 10K a month just through brand deals alone. And that's honestly how I was making money in the AI space. And I realized like it's not really sustainable because if 1 month a brand doesn't hit you up, then you're kind of screwed. Like you got to find another way to make money. And it's really hard to sell to your audience, which is something I struggled with when I was in the AI tools niche, because nobody really trusted me. They just followed me for AI tools. They didn't know what I was an expert in, so there was no real trust there. And that's why I ended up switching to the make money online space. But I still do think it's a good niche to get into, and always the content goes insanely viral in that niche, because you're kind of talking about news and new AI tools and like the use case of them. And now the last niche that you guys can get into, which I know makes a lot of money for a lot of my creator friends, is the tech space. Talk about new tech coming out, maybe Apple, Samsung, like phones, cameras, whatever it is. Like if you can master that and even get on YouTube and talk about tech, like bro, you'll make over 6 figures a month easily, like profit 6 figures a month. So those are niches that you guys can start in. There's a ton more that you can obviously get into, but those are ones that I personally would recommend. Now, the next step is to start creating very simple videos around the niche that you chose to showcase your expertise. So as I mentioned earlier, you got to first build an audience of people. And the way that you do that is through creating content that goes viral, but you also have to build trust with these people. And the way you build trust is through multiple ways, but the main thing is giving good value in your video that's unique, and also showing your expertise and showing people, or giving people a reason to really trust you from these videos. So you got to create very simple content. You don't have to do super highly edited videos like me. You could do very simple content where you literally just sit down with your iPhone in front of you, yap to the camera for like 10 minutes, just cut it up and turn it into a piece of content. And something I want you guys to keep in mind too with content is, like, if you're just starting out, you have no experience, it's gonna take you some time to actually pick up and start going viral. So what I do and what I recommend to all my students to kind of get the ball rolling as soon as possible is to recreate viral content that's already out there, because if it went viral once, it'll go viral again. So it's very easy when you look at other people's content that is going viral right now, take those ideas, core ideas, and spin them off in your own unique way, and just recreate those concepts. Like take the hook, take the core idea of it, change the value a little bit so it's not one-to-one with another person's content. I know a lot of people who steal my content and I absolutely hate it, I'm not gonna lie. But like, it is kind of just what it is. That is kind of what it comes down to with content. A lot of people steal content nowadays. And if you're creating content that's literally stolen from another creator and they end up calling you out, that could go really bad on you. So like, just take the core idea, take the hook, and then just change up the value a little bit and add your own unique spin on it, so you're not necessarily just stealing another person's video. Fuck, this is just kicking my ass. Anyways, what's my next point? The way that you guys can actually recreate viral content and find these viral ideas where you don't have to put in extra work and do research every single time that you want to create a piece of content is to train your algorithm on creators' accounts that are already going viral. So the way that you guys can do this is by first creating a list of 5 to 10 competitors within the niche that you're planning to get into, and make sure they're actually like the top creator. So anybody who is consistently going viral and getting views, and literally interact with their content. Brand new Instagram account, interact with their content, like their posts, save their posts, share them, comment on them, and do this for 10 to 15 minutes a day for 2 to 3 days until you see these videos pop up on your algorithm. Like by algorithm, I literally mean just like the Reels tab. Like let me pull it up. Like once you see it on your Reels tab like this, and as you can see, these are all viral videos from my niche, and this is literally how I find content ideas to recreate. Just going on here and just seeing which ideas have a ton of likes, which ideas have a ton of interaction on them, and then just going about it like that and recreating the ideas that I really like. And for me, I'm at a point now where I've been doing this for almost 2 years, and I could honestly spot out a really good idea just from scrolling. And it's gonna take you some time to get to that point where you build that skill and develop it, where you can just spot out really good ideas and find ways to easily recreate them. But again, like with content, like if you trust the process and if you stay consistent with it and post 1 video per day and consistently improve, get 1% better with every single piece of content, I promise you guys, you will make money very quickly with this. Like I have so many students right now who are making a lot of money with content. And it's because every single day they're practicing, every single day they're getting feedback from me, giving them insight into what's bad and what's good based on my experience. And they're able to kind of fast track their success with content because of this. So I recommend to you guys that you also do that, practice every single day. You don't need to invest into a mentor, but obviously having one does help. Create a piece of content every day, constantly improve with each piece of content, and over time, something will stick. And it's also important that you guys look at the content that is doing really well on your page. Even if it gets like 1,000 views and you average like 100 views on a video, you know that's an outlier. So it's good to just double down and create more videos like that. The algorithm is literally like a numbers game. You have to look at the data and see what's working on your own page, so then you can recreate those concepts and double down on them. And that's how you kind of scale up. And after a certain point, you'll notice like one video will just take off. And from that point, once you are getting pushed down on the algorithm, you have 1 viral video, it's so easy to consistently go viral because you're kind of on the map with the algorithm and starts to push out more of your content. So trust me guys, you gotta just trust the process, stick with it. Now, how do you actually make money with this, right? So the first step is actually going viral and the way you go viral is by recreating those viral concepts, consistently creating content on a day-to-day basis. But once you, let's just say at this point, you've built up an audience, you're consistently going viral, and now you're at a point where you have, let's just say even like 1,000 followers, and you want to sell something, or you want to make money, I kind of exposed it. You want to make money by creating this content. Fuck, I'm losing my point. Oh my God, this really kicked my ass. Hold on. Okay, 1 minute, 20 seconds. Okay, recollect my thoughts. You built up an audience, you're going viral. How do you actually make money with this? The way that you make money with this is through 2 different ways. And I'm gonna mention the second way, which is a very untapped way right now that a lot of people are making money like right away. Even within their first month, they're making money with this. It's kind of like a secret opportunity. I'll tell you guys about it in a second. But the first way is through selling a digital product. And I recommend to you guys, if you are gonna sell a digital product, make sure it's actually a product that you yourself know is a good product and you yourself wouldn't mind investing into. Because if you know it's a good product, has good material in it, then there's no reason why you wouldn't sell it to your own audience. Like for me, whenever I sell a product, I actually go through it, make sure, if it's like a course, for example, I'll actually buy it myself, make sure it's actually good. And if it is, and I see there's a good fit with my audience, I'll push it to them to potentially sell to them. Holy shit. So the first way is through selling a digital product. You can find a ton of different products on websites like Copecart, ClickBank, WAP. Those are like the main platforms I would say that sell, where you can find really good digital products to sell. And the second way is through paid for views, which is a new opportunity that I'm gonna tell you guys about right now. So right now there's this brand called WAP, as I already mentioned, for the digital products. WAP is kind of like a platform where they have communities, they have digital products, and they have this thing called paid for views, where you can literally clip up content from big name creators, and you can get paid for every single view that you get on a video. Okay, timer just went off. I didn't beat the 10-minute timer, it's fine though. You can get paid for every single view that you get, depending on what community you sign up for. I recommend to you guys, if you are just starting out, honestly look into WAP and like the paid for views option. I don't know how long it's gonna be a thing because it's kind of like a money glitch in a sense where it's very easy to get views and you literally get paid for every single view that you get. So even one view is like a couple cents, but that's like proof of concept that this actually works and you can just scale it up as long as you go viral. For me, I made like, I made like 2,000, I'm sorry guys. For me, I made like $2,000 in the last week just passively through one of my videos going viral, getting like 100K viewers, or like a couple 100K views. So it's very easy to make money with this if you are going viral. And yeah, that's honestly pretty much the main ways to do it. I recommend you guys take a look at WAP for the paid for views opportunity. I talk about it in all my content now because I'm just mainly pushing that because I know it's an easy way to make money. And I'm also pushing digital products to my own audience. And that's how I'm able to make anywhere from 20 to 30K every single month consistently just doing that. And the way that you're gonna sell to your audience is through pushing stories to them on like a day-to-day basis. You gotta really nurture your audience and further build trust with them. Because if they follow you, they already probably have some trust built with you, but they just need more proof of concept that whatever it is that you're doing actually works. So build trust with them by posting stories on a day-to-day basis. Show your lifestyle, show who you are as a person, show any social proof, any wins that you get. And these are things that will really incentivize people who are already following you to kind of take action and maybe invest into a course or whatever it is that you have to potentially sell to them. And the second way is through carousel posts. I don't really push carousels that much, but it is an easy way to make money if you are willing to do those. I just don't do it because I feel like it's way too much work and I'm kind of lazy. Like I'm already making good money through this shit. So I just literally mainly push stories out like once a month. And I do like daily stories on a day-to-day basis, just showing my lifestyle because I have a pretty cool lifestyle. So yeah guys, that's honestly pretty much it. That's exactly how I make over $30,000 a month at 21 years old. It is so easy to make money with content as long as you stick with it. Trust me guys, you gotta just really trust the process and just believe that it will happen and you will go viral. Because as soon as you go viral, as soon as you get that first viral video, it becomes very easy to consistently go viral and continue to make money from there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please drop a like and also subscribe because I'm gonna be doing more content like this on a day-to-day basis. I apologize again for not being consistent with the last couple of days. Literally just been traveling these last like week and it's been kind of OD on me and kind of cooked me, but I'm gonna try to get back on it. I'm going back to Toronto in a week from now, so once I'm back in Toronto, it's gonna be a daily thing for me. But in the meantime, I don't know when I'm gonna make the next episode. So if you guys have any suggestions for my next topic to talk about, drop it in the comments below so I could maybe potentially talk about that in my next video. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you for watching this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow, maybe, potentially. We'll see.